Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and today we will unpack air washer Ballu AW325. So here is the book. The book is in Russian and Ukrainian because I live in Ukraine. It was in my country. And here is the device. You see modes and our picture here. Okay, now we will open it. So what is inside? This one is for water, and this is for some kind of oil, and it wash your air in the water. This one. Okay, let's go to put the water here. Okay, now we will switch on it. So you have here three modes. The first one is auto, second is for clean, and here is a for night. Also you can choose here, level, speed level. So it's nice. So we take a cat to air washer. This is my cat, and just watching. How does it works and what is inside? We will check it now. Okay, we take it away. So look, here is the water inside, and it takes your air inside the water and wash your air. So we can also take some oil. And it makes and it smells very good. Actually, what can I say to you about this device? So my experience, it works very nice, and it makes me feel like very comfortable. But what about the price? You know, I living in Ukraine, and it takes maybe 2 months salary for it. So like for a teacher in the school, so I have to pay 2 times salary, month salary. So for me it is expensive. Yes, but it's really nice. So friends, I showed you this device and hope you will like this video, and thank you for your watching. Bye bye.